Opening a bank account. Watch a dialogue between a bank teller and a customer. Hello, welcome to the National Bank. How can I help you? Hi, I would like to open a bank account. What kind of account? Checking or savings? What's the difference? With a checking account, you can write checks. You can also pay bills. With a savings account, you can deposit money for a longer time. Savings accounts give you more interest. I would like to open both a checking and a savings account. Sure. Can I see some ID, please? Here's my passport and driver's license. I will now fill in this application form with your personal information. Thanks. How do I access my accounts? You can visit a bank teller. You can also use an ATM or do online banking. Thank you for your help. My pleasure. Have a nice day.